Hey there, welcome back to On Call Physical Therapy channel. I am Abby, physical therapist and a certified lymphedema therapist. Today we're going to be talking about an important topic, exercises for lymphedema. But before we jump into these exercises, let's quickly tell you a little bit about what lymphedema is. Lymphedema occurs when there is a blockage or disruption in the lymphatic system, leading to accumulation of lymph fluid, and that causes swelling, typically in the arms or legs. Now, managing lymphedema involves a comprehensive approach, which means a complete decongestive therapy. And one of the powerful tools in this toolkit is exercise. Yes, you heard right, exercise. Movement plays a very important role in improving lymphatic flow and managing lymphedema. So why exercises? Well, regularly, physical activities help stimulate the lymphatic system, promoting the flow of the lymph fluid and reducing swelling. It's like giving your lymphatic system a push to do its job a little bit more efficiently. So let's go ahead and list the benefits of exercises. So what are some of the benefits of exercises? It improves the lymphatic flow, it helps reduce swelling, it improves flexibility, muscle strength, and overall mobility. So as you can see, exercises contribute to the overall sense of well-being for everyone, especially those dealing with lymphedema. In today's video, we're going to explore a series of exercises specifically designed to support those with lymphedema. So whether you're on a journey of prevention or already managing your symptoms, these exercises can be tailored to meet your needs. We'll start with some gentle movement and then gradually progress to a more targeted exercises. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and always consult with your healthcare provider before you start any new exercise routine. We're going to start with some heel taps and repeat this exercise 10 times. The next one will be toe taps. Repeat 10 times. Now we'll combine the two movements into heel-to-toe raises 10 times. Next, we'll move to knee tucks, bringing your knee to chest and alternating each leg. Repeat this 10 times. Next, you straighten out your knee and kick the leg towards you. You repeat this 10 times. Next, we'll move to clamshell. We'll do this 10 times. Next, we'll move to hip adduction. You're going to put a towel or a ball in between your knees and squeeze for about a 3-second hold and relax. You repeat this movement 10 times. The next one is a hip abduction. With your knees straight and foot on the wall, you're going to move the leg out to the side and back to center. Repeat this 10 times and transition to the other leg and repeat that also 10 times. This one is called a windshield wiper. With both knees extended, you move both legs side to side. If it's too hard, you can move to the modified version by moving one leg to the side and bringing the other leg to it, as shown here. And you repeat that 10 times. Exercise is the bridging. With your hips and knees angled at 90 degrees, you're going to lift your bottom up and down. Repeat this 10 times. So, if you or someone you know is dealing with lymphedema, or you're simply interested in maintaining a healthy lymphatic system, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe and notification buttons to get alert on our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for our upcoming exercise series. Until then, keep moving, stay positive, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video.